Wow. Okay, so on the rear, we have a set of 37-inch government issue Goodyear MTs. So you put the little tire on the back for this. How much smoke do you think this bad boy is going to make with that big tire on it still?
A lot.
A lot? Are you prepared if this thing tips over and rolls over to keep your foot in it and get it back up on its wheels? We're gonna try. That's what I want to hear, baby. All right. Now, keep in mind this thing has a spool in it, hence the chirping. That means this thing will whip around like a champ. This could be really good. Or really bad. Yeah, those are the Goodyear MTs that came on a Hummer. Hey. Just saying. I bet you that Jimmy's telling him he can't upside down like I told him he could. As much tire smoke. There we go. All right, let's hear it for the rock band.